Hello everybody and welcome back to Trains at Fleet. This is part 2. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today is Friday the 5th of June 2020. It's 4 o'clock exactly in the afternoon. We should be seeing services from South Western Railway and hopefully some freight. If you saw Wednesday's video, we had that long freight thing at the start, which was the first actual freight train with carriages the channel's ever seen. We also introduced a new segment, Facts with Boom, where I explained, about Fleet Station and all the facts Boom has to tell you. So go and check out Wednesday's video if you haven't already. And in case you saw at the end, that was in loving memory of the YouTube polls, because now they are officially gone. I'm filming this in advance, but it says that they're going to be gone on the 10th of June, which was Wednesday's upload. So I'm assuming they've gone through with that, which is really sad because I love the YouTube polls and I hope you enjoyed voting on them. Thank you for doing so if you did. And let's see what we'll get. In case you're wondering why it looks different, I'm filming at 30 frames per second this time instead of 60. I just thought I'd try it because it takes up half the amount of storage that the 60 frames a second does at 4K, of course. And a note to future viewers, if you are watching this after 2020, hopefully everything will have calmed down by then, because currently we're in the coronavirus pandemic and social distancing is a big thing right now, and everyone's wearing masks, and I've got my glove on. But don't be confused. I am a cat that just happens to have hands. They're my cat hands. Don't judge me. I am a cat with hands. There's also those protests in America going on, so currently the world is a very, very strange place. So if you're watching this in the future, well, don't know what to say really. This is what it was like in 2020. This whole massive 2-storey car park is normally always full, on a day without a pandemic. And another thing with Fleet, we've got this huge yellow line. It's quite big, a lot bigger than Winchfield. They just painted on a line. This is like proper tiles with dots on them. It's one of the weirdest adverts I've ever seen. Take on homelessness in tiny trunks. What does that mean? Ooh, a car. What a rare sight. Switch your money on. Fleet. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that person got a bit over the yellow line. farm rat. It's another 12 carriage train. 12 car trains, huge. I can't stress how ginormous these things are. Oh no, we can still see that tiny Trunks advert through the train. There's no escaping it. This bridge is a bit fancier than the one at Winchfield. There's the lift. Another 2-metre foot plate. What was that customer notice say? Platform 2. There you go. Down the main line towards Southampton and up the main line towards London. And a nice tiled floor. En dan zo snel neemt wat na. En dus maar vast zo snel nemen dat hekken. Utan fall. Nu tackar så. Först i mysten. Helvete. Då är snön och en risnäff. Precis. Right then, back on platform 1. Just had to walk all the way over the bridge backwards. Yeah. Shelter from the wind. can see where they've extended the platform, because, well, I can see, can you see that? It's like kind of hollow and the fence goes thinner. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there are gaps. If I walk over here, you might be able to. Look, can you see? There are gaps under that bit of the platform because it's been extended for these new 12-car trains, which seem to be all the rage at the moment. They're the only ones they've got on the line. Well, that's all from me today. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. It's been a good 2 hours at Fleet. I'm going to head over to platform 2 now to catch my train back to Winchfield. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and stay alert. For some reason people are completely scattered all over that platform, but that there is a human, and here comes our train back to Winchfield. Thank you, Fleet, and we'll surely see you soon. Just film the arrival of this train. The gimbal and the microphone are in my bag in case the audio sounds a bit different. Oh, yeah, there's another one.
Yeah, they next 2 stops, Winchfield Hook. You're leaving at Winchfield Hook and you're covering the rear 3 coaches of the train. That's coach 1, 2 or 3. You need to move forward to... Very big train, isn't it? Winchfield. See you soon, everyone. Thanks for watching, and bye bye. Psst, boom. Boom. Hi, Boom.